Hey everyone, welcome back.
Yeah.
We're diving into something today that's super important, I think, to, well, everyone, really.
Yeah, definitely a big one.
Retirement investing. It can be a little bit overwhelming, right?
Right.
So we're going to dig into some materials today and hopefully uncover.
Well, not just the basics, right? We're assuming you've got those down.
Exactly. We're going for those aha moments.
The stuff that really helps you,
Level up your planning.
yeah, make it work for you.
Now, full disclaimer up front. This isn't financial advice.
Right. Definitely not.
Just a starting point, all right?
Yeah.
To get you thinking, get you asking questions.
Think of it like we're giving you some interesting puzzle pieces,
I like that.
and you get to figure out how they fit into your own.
Retirement puzzle.
Exactly.
Perfect. Okay, let's jump in. One thing that always pops up, and, it can sound a little cliche,
Yeah, it's almost like a broken record sometimes.
is starting early.
Yeah,
But the data's there, right?
absolutely. We hear about this miracle of compounding,
Oh, yeah.
but it's more than just a saying, right?
It's got to be more than just words.
Imagine this. Okay. You invest $500 every month, start at 25. You get, let's say, average return of 7% each year. By the time you hit 65, you're looking at over $1 million.
Wow.
Now, same scenario, but you start at 35.
Okay.
Same monthly investment, same return,
Less time, though.
less time. You end up with less than half, like around 430,000.
Ooh, that's a huge difference.
It's huge. Those 10 years, they really make all the difference.
It's almost like, building a skyscraper.
Oh, I like that.
You need that strong foundation.
Yeah, the taller you want to build.
The deeper you got to go.
Got it.
But choosing the right investments, where do you even start?
Well, even before you think about specific stocks or bonds or whatever, you
Right.
need a vision.
Ooh, gets existential on me.
What does your dream retirement look like? It's not just about,
Numbers.
not just a number. It's about lifestyle, right? You picture yourself like quiet mornings, tending a garden,
Yeah.
or are you backpacking through Europe?
Ooh, I like that image. I did read somewhere that, really visualizing your retirement, it helps you figure out, how much money you actually need.
Exactly. Makes it real, doesn't it?
Way more tangible.
Once you've got those goals, then you can start looking at different,
Investments.
asset classes, right?
Yeah.
Building that diversified portfolio.
Yeah.
The basics, stocks, bonds, real estate.
Yeah, the building blocks.
But let's go deeper. So within stocks, you've got things like growth stocks. Those are companies that are expected to grow really fast, but
Higher risk.
more risk involved.
Makes sense.
Then you've got value stocks, which are usually like more established companies considered undervalued.
Interesting. So even within stocks, you've got this whole,
Spectrum.
of risk and reward.
That reminds me, one source we looked at, they emphasize diversifying not just across different types of assets.
But within them too?
Exactly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even
Right.
within the same basket, right?
Double basket strategy.
Haha, exactly.
Yeah.
And let's not forget about bonds.
Right. Bonds.
They can be a bit tricky because their value is tied to interest rates. Understanding how bond durations work, that's crucial.
Bond durations. Now, that's something I need to brush up on.
Basically, it's how long it takes to get your initial investment back. And that can really matter, especially with interest rates going up and down.
Yeah, especially these days. Okay, we're talking about making the most of our money, but let's not forget about, the taxes.
Nobody likes paying taxes, right?
Definitely not my favorite thing.
And that's where those tax-advantaged accounts come in.
Like Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs, right?
Exactly. They can be real game changers. The biggest difference is when you pay the taxes.
Right, right.
But there's something people often miss. It's the income limits for contributing to a Roth IRA.
Ooh, yeah, I've heard about those.
Yeah,
So even if you want to go the Roth route, there might be some restrictions.
there might be. It's easy to get excited about those tax-free withdrawals in retirement,
Who wouldn't be?
but got to make sure you qualify first.
See, this is what I love about these deep dives. It's like having all this info in one place can really,
Highlight the important stuff.
totally, helps you avoid those pitfalls.
And, even with the perfect plan, investing isn't something you just set and forget.
Yeah, it's not like planting a tree and just watching it grow.
Right. As you get closer to retirement, or if, life throws you a curveball,
Things change.
things change, your needs change, your risk tolerance might change.
It's almost like a garden.
I was going to say that.
You got to tend to it, right? You got to make sure it's...
Adjust, rebalance, make sure it's still working for you.
So those portfolio reviews, they become even more important as you go along.
Absolutely. And sometimes, you need a little help.
Professional help.
Professional help. A financial advisor can be a great resource. They can help you navigate all the complexities, make adjustments when the market goes crazy, make sure you're on track to actually reach your goals.
Makes sense. Well, this has been Honestly, so insightful.
Glad to hear it.
Any final words of wisdom for our listeners out there who are, navigating this whole retirement investing world?
At the end of the day, you're investing in your future.
Your dream future, hopefully.
Exactly. The one with those quiet mornings or the backpacking trips or whatever it is you're dreaming of. Stay informed. Be patient.
Don't panic when the market dips.
Exactly. Stay focused on the long game. What's one step, just one, that you can take today to make that future a reality? Something small, something actionable. Think about it.
I love that. Such a great takeaway. Well, I hope this deep dive has sparked some ideas, given you some things to think about.
And a little more confidence.
Definitely more confidence. Keep learning, keep growing, and happy investing, everyone.
Happy investing.